reason why I started vlogging, like I felt like picking up my camera and actually start vlogging, is because I thought of making chai. Now you guys must be wondering what's new about it, but the thing is I'm going to be making chai, but like vegan chai, okay? Like, so today I'm going to be using oat milk. Now I have never really had a chai with oat milk, like any kind of vegan milk, okay? This is really my first time. I must have had like soy milk, but in coffee. I remember, I think these kind of these kind of milks do really well with cold beverages, but they don't do so well with like if you like try to heat them up. So I'm going to be trying. I've looked up a couple of recipes, not recipes, just like how to go about it. Guys, you won't believe it how expensive the oat milk is. I honestly did not think that it would be this expensive. Got it from like Urban Platter, by the way, and it's for 250 rupees, and that is very expensive because usually I think dairy milk aata hai kuch 60 rupees ka, 70 rupees ka 1 liter, and this is like 1 liter like 250 rupees ke liye, which is a lot honestly, but you know what, it's okay. I'm just going to go and try it out. The other day only my brother was making fun of me. He's like, oh, you just want to spend money, this, that, and being vegan is kind of expensive. I'm honestly too lazy to put on my tripod and everything, so here is our chai. What do I say? I think it just looks normal. It does look a little different in color than a normal chai, but yeah, let's just try. This is literally my first time. I don't know why am I like so nervous. I mean, if you're like very used to the cow milk and buffalo milk wala taste, then you will find it a little different, but obviously it will be a little different. It can't be exactly the same, but this does taste nice, you know, like it doesn't taste bad at all. Came out of the shower, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I love working out. The only problem that I have is my hair tends to get very greasy, and I also have pretty long hair, so it just gets very difficult. But other than that, working out is just so much fun. I love it so much, but greasy hair, I don't know. Anyway, I was just getting ready for the day, so I thought I'll show you a couple of products that I have been using. If you guys have watched my acne video, the recent one, okay, you guys would be knowing that I really like Cheryl Cosmeceuticals product, which is a professional skincare brand, and it is available across all the salons. So yeah, I love the products, and especially the Clarify anti-acne serum. Oh my god, that helped me so much. And now since it's summers, I thought of giving my skin the needed boost. So while I was doing my research, I came across Oxyblast facial kit. This comes with like 7 steps that you can do it yourself. It's extremely hassle free. So it has cleansing gel, then it has a deep peel, skin oxygenator, rejuvenating serum, then there's a mask, there's also an energizing cream, and lastly there's a radiance mask. It's priced at rupees 300, which is pretty affordable if you ask me. Now I'm going to use the O2C2 Radiance Lotion. You can use this during the day and also at night. Extremely hydrating. It also enhances the collagen production, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. It is priced at rupees 970. Now obviously I cannot forget the sunscreen, like it's so important. That's enough on this one. Please make sure you're using your sunscreen every single day, even if you're indoors. So this is Derma Shade by Cheryl Cosmeceuticals. This has SPF of 30, which makes it ideal for everyday use, and it also comes in this really cool spray format. It also has vitamin C and niacinamide, the most talked about ingredients at the moment. What it does is it reduces the dark spots and brightens up the skin at the same time, which is really great. You'll get this for rupees 575. I'm sure you'll love all the products that I just mentioned, so I'll leave the link in the description bar below, so go ahead and check it out. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday today. I know I'm like vlogging every day a little bit. I thought of like vlogging my week just like that for you guys. So today I am actually chumming. I know too much information. So all that I've done, as you can tell by my avatar, I was literally in my bed all day, did nothing, but I am really happy about the video that I posted today. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's a really fun vlog, and you'll see that like sibling energy throughout the video. Samat is also in it, so you know, go watch that. I just got my order. I thought of like ordering something like some comfort food for myself, so I ordered Thai curry. Thai curry is my favorite food of all time, so I've got like my rice and Thai curry, and I also got like paneer chili dry. I just got it for little protein. I've been doing the Chloe Ting workouts. Today I did that, and after that I got my periods. I didn't see myself working out for another, I don't know, maybe like 2 to 3 days. So yeah, that's really sad. I'll start it again after once I'm done with my periods and everything, but for now I'm going to like jump right in and eat because I'm so hungry and my tummy is hurting. Guys, look at my face. I feel like my face looks like a potato. I've literally slept, as in I did not sleep, but I was just lying in my bed today. So I don't know, but anyway, yeah guys, if you haven't tried Thai curry, please go try it and thank me later. Samarth hates it, but I think जिसको भी मैंने आज तक बोला है कि यार let's eat Thai curry, they've really liked it. So please try it, okay? Also I'm thinking कि कौन सा movie देखूँ यार. Like I don't know, I'm not understanding, but oh my god, every single time I'm down, I always watch this Marathi movie called Muramba. And my Marathi fam, if you guys are watching, let me know if you guys have watched Muramba. It's such a nice movie, so comforting. Even right now I feel like watching it, but then I know I have watched it way too many times. I just watched it like 2-3 weeks ago, so I don't feel like watching it. But yeah, it's a lovely movie, guys. It's so nice. I really like it. I think I also like it because it released around my birthday, I think, or on my birthday, I don't remember, like a couple of years ago, and I actually went and watched that movie, so probably that is, I just have a different impact on me, but like I really like that movie. Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm actually making mango pudding, chia seed pudding, but I'm just putting mango in it, and this is like my first time eating mango, like the first fruit of the season, like first mango of the season, not first fruit of the season. But I'm so excited. Also I'm just like, I just realized that all that I've filmed so far in this week is just like me eating and just making things, but it's okay. What else can I do since it's the lockdown and stuff? But I'm super excited. So I made this last night. I put like oat milk, then I have put some chia seeds, then I also put honey, and that's all that I put. You can also put protein powder. I'm actually going to try it out maybe next week when I start working out. So yeah, really excited. So I'll just like put everything together and then show you guys how it looks. Chia seed pudding, and people usually don't put like granola, but I still did it because I was so hungry. I also put some pumpkin seeds, and then there is my mango, and I'm super excited to dive in. Oh my god, like yay! But look at this beauty, it looks so good, right? Taste test time. I think it's nice. The only thing is I put oat milk, and I can taste like oat milk tastes pretty strong. Like I can tell it's oat milk. It's probably because I've just started like drinking oat milk, probably that's why. But yeah, try it out with your dairy milk and let me know what do you think. My eye is like, I don't know, like hurting today. Anyway, good morning guys. So my earring actually fell somewhere and I did not realize, and now I can't find it. So yeah, I did not have any other earring. I mean, I do have earrings, but like they're pretty fancy and just like something that I can wear for a shoot or something like that. And most of the times I don't really wear anything, but I like to wear earrings. So I just found these are so old, it almost looks like I'm not really wearing one, but I just found this one. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I just like received a couple of packages from Amazon, so I thought that I'll do like a miscellaneous haul for you guys. So yeah, I'll show you it. Now I'm going to open up the packages. Good, not at least like Amazon is like delivering essentials. I mean, I think everybody is just delivering essentials. I do badly want like sweatpants, like those shorts, you know. I really want to get those because the ones that I got from Kolaba recently, I'm pretty sure you must have watched it in my vlog. Oh my god, I did tell him that, you know, small is not my size और मुझे नहीं बैठेगा, and still he gave it to me. And yeah, now they are a little too tight on me and I don't really like it, and also they are pretty short since they are small. So I just wanted to get like good sweatpants घर पे पहनने के लिए, just to lounge around. But yeah, okay. Okay, I had ordered like black salt, so it's here. Got it from Catch. Finally, it's out. I got like Szechuan chutney. Honestly, do think that you need some crazy skill to open packages because oh my god, I'm usually like out of breath and like I feel like I have no energy left in me every time I do that. It's just so difficult to get these things out, especially these like stuff ghar ka stuff. What is it? Okay, I got Colin. I also really like to keep all these things, you know, so like if I were to like send out packages or something like that, this comes in so handy, like all the stuff that I have kept. Okay, I got my soy sauce. Yay! Yeah, dark soy sauce. I got this from Ching's as well. Also just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well, like mentally. Please do take care of yourself. Make sure you're spending time with your family if you can. I have been just alone by myself, so I like try to listen to a lot of music, try to be active. I also like think reading helps, and if you can, which I don't have the luxury to have a garden or somewhere where you can go and just walk barefoot, please do that. That's great exercise, like it really grounds you, so it will also help you. So yeah, I just wanted to like check in. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you aren't, it's okay, have faith, things will fall in place for all of us. So yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that. And yeah, that is it for my weekly vlog. I know I did not do much, but that's because I was chumming, so I honestly wasn't feeling good, so I was just in bed, but I just had like good food throughout the week and that made me feel really nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.